everyone, I'm really excited to share my very first purchase from Louis Vuitton. Okay, I've been wanting to get something from Louis Vuitton for the longest time, but I'm always like unsuccessful. I don't know why. Anyway, I've been contemplating to get the Felicie Pochette because, like what I say, I really love like small bags and clutches, and I don't really carry much stuff. So I've actually been staring at the monogram Felicie Pochette for the longest time until I saw the Louis Vuitton Cruise 2021 collection, and I noticed that there was actually a Felicie Pochette in that collection. I think it's like a seasonal item, yeah, right? So I was like deciding whether should I get the classic monogram or if I should, be a little bit bold and get the colorful print. And obviously, I was asking everyone around me which one I should get, and all my friends were like, no, you should just get the classic just to be safe, because I think they were saying it's just pretty hard to match. But okay, I took none of their advice, and well, I just, I should have contacted like the CA and everything, and I was like, okay, I'm still gonna get like my hands on that piece. And I swear the whole process was so stressful because like I think it sold out pretty fast as expected, and I'm just so glad that I managed to get hold like probably the last piece. Alright, so I'm just gonna unbox it now, okay? I'm just a little bit sad that I didn't get the Game On Cruise paperback. They gave me the Christmas one instead because they ran out of the Game On. Okay, I'm so excited because it's really my first bag from Louis Vuitton. Okay, nothing too fancy about the packaging, it's just your usual, I guess. Alright. Okay. So yes, this is, I guess, I'm just lucky to get this piece. As you can see, look at this beauty! It's so pretty. I love the colors of it. Okay, I really love how like it's so playful and it's just so, different compared to the classic monogram. Okay, because like it's so cute, right? Although like people are saying that this collection is kind of like one of the worst collections they've seen in from Louis Vuitton, but okay, I have to admit some of the pieces in that collection wasn't great, but I really thought the vanity bag was nice. So as the cover, which I heard it was allocated to only like VVIP, so you can forget about getting that bag on. You can forget about getting it, okay? You have no chance to get it at all. So to be able to get this piece, I'm just thankful. So apart from the compartments, inside is pretty much unusual Felicie Pochette, which is if you are someone who don't want like too much compartments, you can still just put in your stuff inside here. And at the same time, at the back there is still this extra space where you can probably put in more stuff. So for me, I'm very really basic. I don't carry much things with me because like usually when I go out for like brunches or dinner or like just like quick night out, I like to carry such bags with me, and I don't carry much, probably just my phone. So for me, like a number one thing when I buy a bag, it has to put in my phone. So yes, and then pretty much your usual stuff like your hand sanitizer and things like that. So okay, you know what? I'm just gonna test out the space. So it comes really nice chain. Alright, so this is really still really quite spacious. I'm just gonna quickly put in my stuff. Okay, lipstick. Alright, hand sanitizer because you bring that all the time now. My keys. Alright. So I have my own card holder. If you don't want to use the one inside, you can just use your own, right? Yeah, I see. You pretty much still have a lot of space, and then you can probably still fit in a phone. So yes, the size is great. So the length of the gold chain in this bag is really not that long. I feel like the size is really just nice in terms of the length of the chain. Okay, I'm just gonna take like my YSL wallet on chain just to give you like an idea on like what's the difference. Like you can see like for the YSL, right, it's much longer, you see. But for the cruise one, the Felicie Pochette, it sits really just nice for me. So yeah, I pretty much prefer this length because it's just nice compared to the YSL, which is a bit too long actually, but I still love this bag. actually been eyeing the monogram piece. I almost decided to get that, but because it's really like easy to match, you can't go wrong with it, and probably like it's a timeless piece because it's the classic LV monogram. But I've decided to go with the LV Cruise collection because I thought it resembles the Takashi Murakami collection back many years ago, and I just thought that it was not something that you usually see that from Felicie Pochette, because I've been looking through like the different collections. It's always like a very simple color or like a one tone kind of color. So I just thought that the Cruise collection was just like something different and more playful and more bold. And I guess I'm just someone who like prefer pieces that are a little bit not that safe in that sense. I wanted something like I won't use the word wow, but a little bit more daring. And also like because I'm someone who probably when I'm quite loud in my clothes as well, so I just thought that the LV Cruise piece probably suit me more than the classic monogram. But then again, I might actually get that in future, but maybe just not now. Yeah, it's probably in my list, but it's not something that I will immediately get it now, since that I have the LV Cruise collection for this brand. So once again, thank you, and remember to subscribe. Okay, I'll promise to do more videos. Okay, so yeah, please subscribe. Okay, like if not, I don't really see the point of me continue doing YouTube videos. So yes, and see you all the next time.